Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Pragmata and your game keeps crashing to desktop, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Pragmata crashing to desktop easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and update your graphic card's drivers. So you're going to open up your web browser. I'm going to show you AMD first, afterwards I'll show you Intel and then NVIDIA. You're going to go on to amdgpu.com, click onto resources, click drivers, then scroll down and click graphics, Radeon RX, and then select your graphics card series and model, click submit, click your operating system and download the latest AMD Adrenalin drivers. And now I'm going to show you Intel. You're going to go on to intel.com. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click onto support, click download center, and then you're going to click onto graphics here. You're going to search for your graphics card here, Intel Arc A770, and then you're going to download the latest Intel Arc drivers. Now I'm going to show you NVIDIA. You're going to go on to nvidia.com, click drivers. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form. So just select your graphics card and then select your operating system. Afterwards, click find here and then it will find the correct GeForce Game Ready driver for you. Once it's done, you're going to go ahead and download the drivers and then install them. Once you're done installing the drivers, you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up your games platform, so Steam. And here what you're going to do is you're going to right click on Pragmata, go into properties, click install files and then click verify integrity of game files. Once you do that, it will verify your game's files. After it's done with that, now you can go ahead and try to play the game and you'll see that your game will not crash to desktop anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.